Today, went to JB Hi-Fi and got this. It's a DJI Osmo Pocket 4, the latest one, and really excited to do an unboxing video, so let's go check it out. So let's go. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Pretty nice box. It's a DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Let's check it out. Wrapped in plastic. I've watched so many of these unboxing videos, so I already know what's inside. So every time when you buy a DJI product, they always give you this DJI sticker. I've seen people have DJI hats, and I really want to try and get one somehow, but I think if you're a really good influencer, they send you a free hat and the usual instructions, so we're not going to read the instructions. Looks like the pouch here. So as you can see there, you got the Osmo bag. Beautiful. Open it up. Beautiful pouch. Inside, got the usual stuff. Okay, now this is where the big stuff is. So this is where the magic happens. This is the actual pouch thingy. Okay, let's open it up. So there's quite a lot of things in here. So there's a lot of stickers here. Just press the button there. Okay, this is actually a safety mechanism. You just lift this up and it comes off like that. Okay, we're going to go for English. Mission success. Nice. So what else is in the bag? Oh, this is for the microphone from interfering with the audio. Oh, this is the light feature. Beautiful. Oh, this is the transmitter. This must be the transmitter. And here's some magnets. Yep, I think this is the battery. So this should go onto the bottom of the Pocket. And this one, I guess it goes in here. Okay. Yep, it clips on very easy. And this, the bottom part of it will obviously go into the tripod. I think I saw a tripod in here. Nice. So we are going to plug into that. The usual stuff, the cables. It's very handy when you're traveling. So there's a little hole in there. I guess that's where the wrist strap goes. It's a wide angle lens. Pretty cool, yeah? Nice. And the light is obviously on as well. So very, very useful. That's what it looks like when you open it up. Okay, so let's go out and test it out. I'll show you the footage. Let's have a look. So I took the camera out to this nice area, a very nice cafe. Took out the whole family as well. The main features of this camera is that it's got a stacked 1-inch CMOS sensor, which is 37 megapixel pure details. So there's a lot of different range whenever you're filming. If you're looking at a more cinematic look, there's also 4K footage at 240 frames per second. So what that means is that you're going to get more quality out of the footage that you take in terms of the frames as well. One of the great things about it is the ActiveTrack feature. So what you do is you point at a particular subject like yourself or an object, and it'll actually just track it. In terms of storage space, there's 107 gigs of internal storage built right on, and you can also add in another SD card as well. The battery lasts up to 4 hours, which is plenty of time. I did charge it for takes about 18 to 20 minutes to do a full charge, which is really great. It's actually really nice small size, you know, fits in your pocket. Obviously it's very lightweight, you can carry it, you can get in, just do a quick record, easily rotate the screen to its vertical to horizontal. The thing I really love about it is the stabilization. So it's very stable, the colors look great. You can film in D-Log. When you get the footage, you can actually color grade it in post as well. But overall, absolutely love the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. One great benefit I've noticed with the Pocket 4 is that it motivates you to create content. I've owned the big cameras, I've owned the smaller cameras, the GoPros and everything, but one thing I've noticed is that when you remove the boundaries to make content, it just makes life a lot easier. With a big camera, yes, it has great quality and everything, but it's just too big, it's too clunky. You don't want to be holding onto this heavy camera trying to make films and stuff. It's just another barrier. But with the Pocket 4, it's very lightweight. It's made for people just want to just create quick content and upload it to YouTube and social media and so forth. So that's the biggest thing I love about this Pocket 4, is that it just really helps you create more content, and that's what it's all about. So I highly recommend for you to check out the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. I hope you like this video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon. Cheers.